Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will be showing you a tofu curry with potatoes using few basic ingredients that I think most of you will have in your pantry. So let's get started. Start by heating oil over medium-high heat. Lay out the tofu in a single layer in the pan and fry them on medium-high heat till they become golden brown in color. If you want the outer surface to be a bit chewy, then fry till you get deep brown color or take them out once they are just heated through if you want a softer texture. My teenager likes it very lightly fried, but not me. So today I went my way. I added some more oil. Coming to the whole spices, I need dry red chili, dried bay leaf, green cardamoms and a small cinnamon stick. Do not worry if you do not have all of these, just use what you have, it will still taste great. Add jeera or cumin seeds and let them splutter to release their flavor. Then add the potatoes, sprinkle some salt and fry them on medium-high heat till golden brown in color. While the potatoes are getting fried, I made a spice mix. In a bowl, add the grated ginger, Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, or you can even use paprika, turmeric powder, and cumin powder for that smoky kind of aroma. Add some water and your spice paste is ready. The potatoes are turning golden brown. At this point I will be adding some sugar. The sugar gives a nice color to the curry and even balances the bold flavors from those spices. Add the spice paste and stir on medium heat till it gets this grainy kind of appearance and the ginger gets well fried. This will take a few minutes. Next, add the tomatoes and add a few tablespoons of water. And some of you must be now thinking, there she goes again, using up all that spice goodness till the last drop. Cover it for a few minutes and allow the tomatoes to get soft. From time to time uncover, give a stir and cover again. You will soon see the tomatoes have turned pulpy and mushy. Now is the time to add the fried tofu back into the pan. Add salt and little water and stir again till everything gets well mixed with all those spices. Then I added about a cup of water. You can add more water if you want more gravy, but do not add too much in the beginning. Cover it on low heat for about 10 minutes so that the tofu can soak up all that spice goodness and become flavorful. While my tofu is getting cooked, let me fry some eggplant or begun bhaja as we call in Bengali, as it goes very well as a side. I have a recipe for fried eggplant on my channel, so please check that out. Ten minutes done. Let's now check on the tofu. If you feel you want more gravy, add little water at this point. But remember to do a taste test after that and adjust the seasoning, as you may have to add more salt if you added water. Discard the bay leaves and cinnamon stick. Though we had been taught not to make a fuss if a bay leaf or a cinnamon stick happens to land on our plates, but just to keep it on one side of the plate, I try to pick them out before serving. There is yet another step that needs to be done. Heat a separate pan over medium heat. I added just a teaspoon of ghee. You can even use butter. Do not let the ghee turn too hot. Just when it turns little warm, take it off heat and add garam masala powder. Then immediately add this aromatic combination into the curry. My rice is ready. I have some leftover red lentil dal from last night, the aloo tofu curry and fried eggplant. It is hearty, delicious and satisfying lunch. Please leave a comment, as I love reading them. This is Bumbi and thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye bye.